The actual water loss during a transpiration occurs through three main sites, namely cuticle, stomata, and lenticles. So accordingly, there are three types of transpiration. Number one, cuticular transpiration. Number two, the stomatal transpiration. And number three, the lenticular transpiration. Cuticular transpiration. Cuticle is a layer of waxy substances called cutin, and it is present on the upper surface of the epidermis cells of a leaves and a stem. Cuticular transpiration occurs through a mechanism called simple diffusion, and it contributes about 8 to 10% of total transpirations. It occurs throughout the day, and its transpiration rate is inversely proportional to the thickness of a cuticle cells. Lenticular transpirations. Lenticles are a small raised structure composed of loosely arranged complementary cells. Each lenticle is porous tissue consisting of a cell which are large intercellular space in the peridium of a secondary thickened organs. It is seen in the bark of woody stems and the roots of a dry cotyledon flowering plants. Lenticles are present in the bark of old stems and the pericarp of woody fruits, but it is absent in the leaves. Lenticular transpiration contributes only about 0.1 to 1% of total transpiration. The rate of lenticular transpiration is very slow, and it occurs throughout the day. Number 3, stomatal transpiration. It occurs through a structure called stomata, and it is a minute aperture present on the epidermis of a young stems and leaves. It have gut cells and accessory cells. Stomatal transpiration occurs only during daytime. About 90 to 95% of a total transpiration occurs through stomata except for desert plants. In dicot plants, more number of stoma at lower epidermis and less number of stoma at upper epidermis, whereas in monocot plants, stoma are equal on either side of the epidermis.